everybody, it's Amalia, and I'm here today with a sheet load of cards. Today is the December 2024 premiere of the SheetLoad Creative Team's versions of the sheet load of cards. Every month on the first of the month, Alicia from Call Me Crafty Al premieres the brand new sheet load, which is a sketch and supply list. Here's the sketch. She maps it out on this side, exactly what it's supposed to, the dimensions, the bonuses, alternatives, and then on this side is the cutting guide, and she shows you all the measurements that you need, all the sheets, and etc. and etc. So this is what the sheet load looks like. Here's some hashtags you can follow for the sheet load for every month. And so the creative team, creates their videos and shows you their projects on the 2nd of the month. Today's the 2nd of December, so this is my video showing you my projects. At the end of this video, I'd like you to take a look at the description bar below, and you'll see the playlist for everyone else's videos and their projects. And there's also a list of all the members of the creative team, so you can go visit their channels, but there's a playlist to go directly to their sheet load video. For this month, the month of December, I decided to make some Christmas cards, and I'm using crate papers bundled up. This is a 48 pad of 12 by 12 paper, 24 different patterns. It's single-sided patterns. Let me just give you a sneak peek. I probably got this in 2015 or 2016 from Tuesday Morning. I don't know if it's still available, but it's kind of like a grungy one. I think I used these papers last year for the sheet load in December. And these are some of the papers, some really cute papers. I decided to go with different patterns this year. As a matter of fact, I'm using this pattern, which is all words, and this pattern, which is all snowflakes. So that's the paper pad that I'm using, and I use pre-made, pre-cut and scored cards and envelopes that I buy from Amazon. I'll put a link below for you so you could find it there. I get them 50 envelopes and cards, pre-cut and scored and folded cards each time, and I go through about 2 or 3 packs a year since I make a lot of cards. But here's what my cards look like. Yeah. I'm using this Snow Much stamp set from Brutus Monroe. It has a snowman. You can change his hat if you like. There's 2 sentiments. You can put some goggles on him. If kisses were snowflakes, I'd send you a blizzard, and I love you so much. And then from the Be Cozy stamp set, I am using the Merry Christmas stamp. These are stamp sets that just came out recently from Brutus Monroe, and I'll post a link below where you can, if you use my link, you'll get 10% off your total purchase. So since this is Cyber Monday, you can take advantage of that and definitely take advantage of the Cyber Monday sales. Here's the second paper pad as the background. As you can see, I colored in the snowman. I did some Copic coloring with the snowman, and I'll insert a tutorial right here so you can see how I colored at least the background of the snowman. For the foreground, for the snowman itself, I just used 2 different reds for the hat, 2 different oranges for the nose, a BG00, I think it's called Pale Celestine, and a C1 for some grays, a light walnut, I forget the number, it's I think E37, and a couple of greens for the scarf. And for the sky, I used what's called a Robin's Egg Blue. It's not a perfect coloring, but it's a really simple technique, and I think it gets the idea across. for the clouds in the sky, and I think you'll enjoy the little coloring tutorial. So I'll insert that right here, right now. I've stamped my image with Memento ink on Neenah Solar White cardstock, and I'm using a B02 Robin's Egg Blue Copic marker. Very simply, I just draw my clouds. I draw the outline of my clouds, and then I fill in the space on the outside of the clouds with a blue marker. I've used this particular blue. If you choose to use a darker blue, it'll be a nighttime sky. If you choose to use a lighter blue, it may be more of an overcast kind of sky. You can use additional colors like maybe a C1 or a C2 or C3 for some grays within the clouds to give the clouds some more character. And today I've decided to keep it as essential and simple as possible by just using one color to create the sky. Don't forget to create a horizon line. So that just means a line of snow where the snowman is sitting on, so it doesn't look like he's just kind of floating in the sky. And give this a try. Find your favorite snowman stamp, and I'll give you one more example right here of how I do it. You see how I created the horizon line. And I like to do an odd number of clouds. You could do just 3. I went with 5. And just pick out an odd number. It's sort of like a rule of visual design where things are more appealing in odd numbers. If you'd like to pick up this stamp from Brutus Monroe, don't forget, I'll leave a coupon code in the description below so that you can pick up this stamp and many of the other cool items that they have at Brutus Monroe. I am on their design team, and if you do decide to buy something with the coupon code, I'll get a small, very small, minuscule commission, but it is something. And I am recommending them because I have really enjoyed using Brutus Monroe products. They are a lot of fun and very easy to use. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let's get back to the regular video. I hope you enjoyed that coloring tutorial. If you did, please leave a thumbs up. And as you can see here, I added some white enamel dots. These are from Eyelet Outlet. I would buy them from the Scrapbook Expo every year, but they do have an online site. Do you like the added extra enamel dots? I think I do. I think I'm going to go ahead and add them all. Leave a comment below and let me know if you think the enamel dots are a good touch, if you liked the coloring tutorial, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate you. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday season, and don't forget to take a look at everybody else on the playlist for this month's sheet load of cards. Thanks, everybody. Bye.